everyone. This is Nazir from NAS Solar and Electrical Solutions. I'm here today to highlight what our installations can offer our valuable customers. This is a case study about 5 kilowatt system in a property at Echianse, Kumasi. So on top there you have 10 in series of solar panels and another 10 in series at the back, making it 25 kilowatts in all, so 255 watts per panel. But now we're dealing with 500 for 500 watts panels, so which will save you some space and more effective. What can these offer you? One, you have an air condition. This air condition is a monster. The outside unit, it can offer you at least there, you can see 7.1 kilowatts. Even though you have 5 kilowatt system, this 7.1 kilowatt, which is bigger, but our battery system can support it. So this is about 9.5 horsepower, which can actually power about 6 inside the units. 6 inside the unit of air conditioning. Then you have motion sensor floodlights, about 6 of these. Please come with me. This is a water pump. This is a borehole water pump, still powered by solar entirely. This is just a porch, a light. At the back of the building is another air condition, a minimum of 2 horsepower. So on top there you have 5,000 liters of like 5,000 liters water tank, and it's being like run by the same borehole, so free water basically. And another 4 horsepower air condition there. So this is another motion sensor light you've seen that. So to be clear, this where the electric meter needed to be, but this is completely off grid. We're not using any electricity from the energy providers. So that's the pole, and it's not feeding the house anything. So this is completely off grid system. So come with me. So now getting into the building, you have all lights in the sitting room, all lights, TV, American fridge, and all sockets, and the monster air condition. Putting it on, it's on. This is on, and it's completely solar. What more can you ask for? So that one, moving into the dining room, also all lights and fans, 2 of these, and a couple of sockets right there, couple of sockets. So these are all powered by solar, and another air condition. Let me put it on. Yeah, there we go. And lights on. So air condition working, all totally solar based. So moving into the dining room, bedroom, all lights, including fans, sockets, switches, and everything. Even bathroom, all lights, and a couple of sockets, switches, and even water heater. Water heater is there, still can be used for solar. So come with me, there's more to show you. So moving into the kitchen. So in the kitchen, you have all lights, fans, a couple of sockets, but most importantly, you have a blender, you have a water kettle, you have a microwave, a washing machine, and this is another monster electric cooker, all by solar, and you can even power more, and it's being powered by our system. This is our inverter, DC disconnect, AC disconnect, and our lithium iron phosphate battery, which can give you up to 15 years, and you can use about 95% when it's full. So basically this is our system, and there are other bedrooms using power from the same system as well. So basically that's what I have to offer you. For further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us on our various contact addresses and telephone numbers. Our system can still, we can offer you 10 kilowatt, 5 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, and 1 kilowatt systems. So kindly contact you. I hope you enjoy this presentation. Thank you. Bye.